Hi Rebecca, we're building your shelves. So this is the first one. Just refer to the artwork for a reference. But it's the one that looks like that. And then the boys are going to get this one. And they're just lifting it over the holes for the dominoes to sit into. There's actually a couple of holes, domino holes there. Just go to the outer ones on that right hand side and then push.
Is that working?
Yeah. Just need a tacky.
You got it?
Yep.
Yeah, it's very handy if you've got a rubber mallet.
Back up a little bit.
Yep.
We've
Okay,
got an
now.
issue with our floor here. It's not actually level, so hopefully your floor's a bit flatter.
Yep. Go.
Great. Okay. And the next bit is there. We've got a little packer there on the floor. That's how unlevel it is. There's actually a tiny little bit there on the bottom left. And then you've got your single plank. So it's actually in 5 bits, not 4. He's just looking it down like that. That's it. And then these bits slot in. So you obviously, because it's so tight to your walls, you're going to have to build this in your room and then shimmy it into place. And there's the final big bit. That little square at the bottom and those 2 skinny rectangles on the left. This is the trickiest bit. We're having to go down and sideways with the dominoes in the holes, which is not ideal, but necessary. But you only have to do it once, so you just pull it apart away a bit, get the downward one in, and now, so because wood's a bit bendy, it does this, we can slot all the sideways ones in. Now this is where the ratchet strap comes into play. Harvey is going to demonstrate like an air hostess.
Yeah.
That just reminded me of.
Yeah. So you want to get the strap around the wood here,
Yeah.
with the handle facing you this way. And come around the back, make sure there's no kinks. And come back to itself. So we come through the back of the hole. That's it through. Pull it, get some tension on there. Then use this catch to pull out to the handle, and that releases it, and then you can bring it in and start to tighten it.
Brilliant.
Once you've got a little bit of tension, then you want to start to try and make everything line up
Yeah.
and get it all close. Do you want to jump on the step ladders and get the top ones?
Yep.
Needs to take a bit of time,
Yep.
Yeah.
a bit of patience.
Tension on the strap.
There we go.
That's in. That's all in.
Voila.
Voila! Probably leave that strap on whilst you walk it into place, I'd say. and then we're just going to send you some L brackets to screw into the wood somewhere and into the wall. It's very self-supporting, but you know, in case there's an earthquake or a small child wanting to use it as a climbing frame, you probably just want to tether it to the wall, but we'll let you decide where you do that, because you might want to put a book in front of the bracket or something. So yay, I'll just step back, and there we go. I'm walking into things as I do that. Great, it's going to look fab. Cheers, bye, happy Christmas.